Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. I've had a lot of people ask me about the new iPhones, and we've just received our iPhone 12 in the office today, so I'll be able to show you how the iPhone 12 works with the GemLightbox. Inside the GemLightbox here, I've just got two rings, one in rose gold and one in white gold. So we'll put the front cover back on, and we'll put our new iPhone 12 in front of the GemLightbox. We already have the application open and it's already connected via the Bluetooth. So we'll open the camera, open the video, and we'll take a 360-degree video. As you can see with the new iPhone 12, the color on the rose gold and the white gold are really good. We're getting a very good high color accuracy, and we're getting that nice white background, and the diamonds and engravings are very sharp. Let me show you this video closer. I hope that this video has been useful, and anyone thinking about getting the iPhone 12 for the GemLightbox, you will be getting a very good camera and you'll be getting very good results. Please feel free to message us or comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.